excited about this. Woodobo is in this package. Yes, indeed. So, I'm going to do a little opening here. Been waiting for this stuff. You guys eating all your raccoon and your possum. And look at that. You gotta love that kind of customer service right there. Awesome. And so here it is, the Bearded Woodsman. Let's have a look at this over here. So, what do we got here? It says, ideal spice for any wild or domestic meats, including fish, birds, and mammals. Works well on gopher, muskrat, squirrel, beaver, bear, deer, rattlesnake, armadillo, alligator, gar, fowl, and any fish, among many others. The Wooded Beardsman. And this looks like some good stuff. Made in the USA. I really like that. That's a really good thing. So where did we get this? We got this, let's see, on Twitter. It looks like Nothing Wasted, hashtag Wild Foods, hashtag Wilderness Living. Visit the Wooded Beardsman at Fowler's Makery and Mischief on YouTube. Highly recommend it. Those 30-day challenges are really cool. And get a good look at this under the light. You guys just made this stuff look like it was delicious. So I will cook something with it, and I'll try to film that while we're doing that. So anyway, thanks for shipping this out so quickly. I really appreciate it. And I'll make a video of something. I don't know what I'm going to put it on, but apparently I can put it on anything. So Guitar Slinger out.